So good morning. We're on Friday and it's a wet day, and the beauty of the Polytunnel is that I can still come down the allotment 6 AM in the morning and still potter about, get some things done. So today I've gone through weeding tomatoes, cutting up the suckers and tidying them up. Now they're looking really good. And in the middle we're doing some vertical growing. But today, one of the reasons I've come down is to harvest some potatoes. These are ones that we've done in the Polytunnel, so we'll see what they've done and how they performed. So these are the potatoes, and these are left in buckets. These were done in the soil from the potatoes before. Some of these had blood, fish and bone added to them, and some had not. First batch, Charlottes, and the second batch was International Kidney. I'll show you the potatoes outside too. The first one and the middle back one are Charlottes, and then all the rest are International Kidneys. These are all sown on the same day, and they're a lot greener outside than the ones in the tunnel. So what does this mean? So all of my potatoes were sown on the first week of March, so it'd be interesting to see how they've done. I'm just wondering whether to compare the outdoor ones with the indoor ones. That's an idea, isn't it? So this is the one I've chosen from outdoors, and it said Charlottes, 2 pots, potatoes, ex-tomato, not quite sure why I did that, and blood, fish and bones added to the compost. So let's see. So this is the outdoor one, and this is the indoor one. Outdoor, indoor. Let's go and see. So let's have a look at the bucket. Charlotte, blood, fish and bone, 2 potatoes. Charlotte, 2 potatoes. So look, the outdoor ones are smaller leaves. The indoor ones are bigger leaves and have gone yellow. So what are we going to find? Anything? Don't know. Shall we have a reveal? Let's go. So which one do we do first? Let's do the outdoor one. Nope. Yeah. Outdoor one first. So let's see what we've got. Straight out. So we've got a good root, but there's many potatoes. Oh, we've got a couple. There we go. There are some. It's better size. There's the plant. There's the seed potato. Few tiddlers. There's the second seed potato. And there we go. Just a handful, but that will do. So we're going to refill the buckets. And this can be used again. So that was the outdoor. And they were planted 8th of March. So let's get the next one, which is the Polytunnel one. 5th of March, 2 potatoes. This is still growing strong, but I'm going to give it a reveal. So let's see what we got from this. As you can see, some potatoes already coming through. So they're looking good. Look at this. Can we see? Look at this. Woohoo! Whoa, wow. Look at these. So this is the Polytunnel ones. And already, what a difference. Wow. Gosh, we already need a bigger tray. And some of these already started sprouting again. This potato seed is still intact. And the second one is still intact. So you know what? They're going to go back in again. So that is all the potatoes. So this is the Polytunnel potatoes, and this is outdoor potatoes. What a difference. What a difference. And these are already resprouting. So I'm thinking the seed potato compared to the seed potato on the outdoor one, so maybe that's a good sign for Polytunnel potatoes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this bucket back up again. With all this good compost, and I'm going to plant it back again. worth a go. Something happens. The 3 potatoes. So second crop. So keep an eye on this and we'll see what happens. And this compost that was used was the compost that I used last year in the tomato buckets, which is why it had Tom written on the bottom. Just suddenly remembered. So Tom meant X tomatoes. So I reused the compost. So there we go. I'm going to have to make a note so I don't dig that back up again. But that's a repotted plant potato. So I'm going to see what happens there. So this is repotted, and I've made a note, repotted 19th of June. So we'll see if anything comes from that. It's going to be worth a go. What do you reckon? Do you reckon you're going to get some crops from it or not? Leave me a comment below, see what you think. Be interesting. Anyway. So there we have our potatoes. And this is the Polytunnel ones. And this is grown outdoors. What a difference, eh? I'm going to take these home and have a nice dinner. So thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoy my videos then please subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when I post some more. Please leave me a comment. I really enjoy reading your comments, and we're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really pleased about that. So thank you very much to everyone. Cheers!